Hi boys and girls, it's Marci Chavalas and it's story time. Today's story is called Time for School, Little Blue Truck, and it's part of the Little Blue Truck series. It looks like Little Blue Truck is going to be going to school, and I'm so excited to read this with you. Let's see if we can turn the book over and learn a little bit more. Well, I just see Little Blue Truck and I see a bus. I'm thinking it's going to be a great day to go to school for Little Blue Truck. What about you? All right, are you ready? All right, let's grow. Time for School, Little Blue Truck by Alice Schertle and Jill McElmurray. For all of you AR readers, this is an AR book. It's quiz 514267. It's level 2.0 worth half a point. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road early one morning with good friend Toad. What a lovely day in the countryside. Little Blue Truck called beep, beep, hi to a big bright school bus passing by. What a wonderful bus, all shiny and yellow. She stopped and smiled. Hi, little fellow. Oh, they're being very kind and polite to one another. What a great way to start the day. Inside, everyone sat in a row. They waved out the windows to blue below. Little Duck called, quack. There's school today. Little goat said, ma. Little horse said, neigh. Lamb, chick, calf called, ba, peep, moo. We're taking the bus to school, Little Blue. Oh, how fun. The farm animals are going to school. I wonder what they're going to learn at school. What a wonderful job, said Little Blue. I wish I were a school bus too. You're a good little truck, the school bus said, but this job needs a bus instead. I'm shiny yellow, I'm long and wide, with lots of windows and seats inside. Let's look at that, boys and girls. It looks like Little Blue wants to be a school bus and carry all of the friends to school, but what makes a school bus perfectly suited for school trips? Let's go look at what the story said. Says, hey, it's long and wide. It can fit all the children. There's lots of windows for air, and there's many, many seats inside to fit all the students. Little Blue Truck doesn't have all those things. It's not made for transporting many kids to school. Let's keep reading. I want to see what happens next. As the bus drove off, Blue heard her say, mustn't be late for school today. Down the road went Little Blue, still wishing he were a school bus too. They were almost home when Blue said, Toad, that's Piggy crying by the road. Oh no, I wonder why Piggy's crying, boys and girls. Why do you think? Piggy's right next to bus stop. Let's think, why would Piggy be crying? The bus is down the road and he's sitting right here next to a bus stop. Let's make a prediction. Let's guess why. Good readers ask themselves questions like, why is Piggy crying? Maybe Piggy's sad because he misses her friends, or maybe she missed the bus. Let's see. Oink, oink, I'm late, poor Piggy wept. I missed the bus. I overslept. Ah, that's what happened. Piggy was sleeping too late and missed the bus. What are we gonna do? I wonder what's gonna happen next. Piggy's sad and needs to get to school on time. What do you think should happen next? That's a good idea. Maybe Little Blue can help. Beep, beep, don't cry, said Little Blue. Climb in, let's see what I can do. By now the bus is way ahead. We'll take another way instead. Oh, it looked like when Little Blue decided to help, Piggy was encouraged. Look at Piggy's face. First, Piggy was very sad, And now Piggy feels happy and hopeful because there's someone to help. Let's see if Blue can help. Blue made a turn and left the road. Hang on, Piggy! Hang on, Toad! I know a path right through this wood. I'll get you there like a school bus should. Looks like little Blue can go places that the school bus can't go because he's smaller. Do you think little Blue will be able to get Piggy to school on time? Make a prediction. Good readers predict what's going to happen next. Let's read on to see if we can confirm our predictions. Bump, 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 the path was rough and Blue was little, but Blue was tough. There were bushes and brambles and towering trees. Croak, said Toad, it's quite a sneeze. There's no room here for a great big bus. Beep, said Blue, there's room for us. Ah, a bus couldn't drive through the forest, but little Blue could. And I bet that saves him a lot of time to help Piggy get to school. Whoo, called an owl with mild surprise and looked at Blue with big round eyes. A gray squirrel chattered chee-chee-chee and jumped along from tree to tree. Look at all these woodland forest animals, owls and squirrels. Looks like Piggy's happy looking at all the forest creatures as they're making their way to school. When they came to a stream, Blue splashed right in. Beep, beep, he said with a little Blue grin. I'm good at streams and getting wet. A little water never stopped me yet. Oh, I bet the bus couldn't get through a stream. That's really cool that little Blue's able to do something very special to help the friend. Through the woods, what a bumpy ride. Then there was the road on the other side. They made it through. Oink, yelled Piggy, you did it, Blue. I see the school and the school bus, too. Beep, said Blue, it wasn't hard. And he drove right into the school bus yard. Oh, it looks like they made it on time. Man, what a great way to help little Blue. Sometimes we can help our friends when they are sad and help them to feel better. Maybe even solve a problem like little Blue did. The school bus stared and blinked her eyes. Looks like this job is just your size. You're not big, not yellow, not long and wide, but you had room for a friend inside. I love how the bus was so encouraging. We don't have to be like everyone else. We are made just the way we should be made for the jobs that we are designed to do. Just like little Blue found out he can help a friend, just like the bus could help all of these buddies. You did this job in your very own way. We needed a tough little truck today. Neigh, peep, oink, quack, ba, moo. Everybody cheered, good job, Blue. What a lovely story. I loved hearing about how little Blue was able to use his skill just the way he was made to help out a friend, Piggy, get to school. If you enjoyed this story, go ahead and click the like button right now. And if you would like to hear more stories like this one, don't forget to click the subscribe button right now, okay? Until next time, bye friends.